welcome back to Bakes by Amal. So today I've got a super delicious recipe for you guys, and I'm actually showing you how to make my chocolate brownies. So I 100% got the world's best chocolate brownie recipe. They're super gooey and fudgy inside, and they're so chocolatey. If you haven't already, please check out my last video where I showed you how to make a chocolate Biscoff cake for my best friend's surprise party, and also my Instagram and Facebook at Bakes by Amal and a sprinkle of glitter. If you want to find out how to make these chocolate brownies, keep on watching. For my chocolate brownie recipe, you will need 160 grams of caster sugar, 45 grams of plain flour, 95 grams of cocoa powder, 110 grams of unsalted butter, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 large free-range eggs. So to start, I've got my butter in a bowl. I'm just going to transfer it to a small saucepan, and I'm just going to melt it on a medium heat. So while the butter's melting, I'm going to sift in my caster sugar, cocoa powder, and salt. I'm just going to sift it into a large bowl. I'm just going to whisk it together. So my butter's all melted, and I'm just going to slowly pour it in, whisking continuously. So now I'm going to crack 2 eggs into here. I'm going to crack them in one by one, and I'm just going to whisk it in with an electric hand whisk. I'm just going to whisk them for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to sift in my plain flour. So I've got an 8-inch square tin over here, and I'm just going to pour my batter in. So I've leveled out my brownie batter. So now I'm going to pop it into an oven which has been preheating at 165 degrees Celsius. I'm wearing a different outfit, so I've just got ready because I'm taking my brownies to one of my auntie's houses. Anyway, so I've taken my brownies out of the baking tin, and it was super easy because I could just lift it off with a parchment paper. And now I'm just going to cut it. So I think I'm going to do 16. So you want to cut it in half once. And you want to cut that in half. And then you want to turn it around and cut this in half. So here are the finished brownies. They're super delicious and so chocolatey and gooey inside. And if you want a more set brownie, you just need to put it in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. But I like mine super gooey, so yeah. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, which is all linked down below, and all the measurements and ingredients are also in the description box below. I'd love it if you could hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn the notification bell on. Thank you for watching.